Liris Chika Donnie Pangilinan, inaming nagsulat ng kanta. That's a beautiful, crazy song for his wife before they were even dating. Saad niya nga sa panayam ng isang Mosang, I wrote that song about my wife before we were even dating. And it's gonna be the first dance at our wedding. And there's no way that any other song will top that as far as a sentimental value for me.